everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Preeti Jain. So in today's video I am going to create this look. It's very simple, elegant and super easy look. Everyone can do it. So there is nothing complicated. In this video I will tell you everything step by step. So without wasting time, let's begin the video now. So before foundation and primer, I'll apply my moisturizer. This is very soft and gentle moisturizer and this is suitable for all type of skins. So after this, I'll wait for 5 minutes, let the moisturizer completely go into my skin. After that, I'll use the primer of Maybelline Fit Me. It is suitable for normal to dry skin. It has SPF 20 and vitamin E also. So that primer gives me a smooth and luminous finish. Again, I'll wait for 5 minutes. Let the primer completely go into my skin. Now I'll use this Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer. I'll use this primer only on my high points on my face, like my cheekbones, forehead area, chin part and nose. That's it. In the next step, I'll use my foundation of Maybelline Fit Me and my shade is 128. I'll apply all over the face and neck as well with the help of my beauty blender. I'll apply the foundation on my under eye part because for me it works as a color corrector. So for the natural makeup look, remember for the natural makeup look, foundation apply in small amount always. And always take your foundation shade which matches to your skin tone. After that, I'll conceal my face with Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer of Maybelline to brighten my under eye area and other highlighting points of my face. So in the next step, I am contouring my face with a darker shade concealer. I'll keep it very minimal and natural because it's good for daytime function or party. I'll apply it on my nose, my cheekbones, my jawline and on my forehead area. So after that, I will blend it with my beauty blender. In the next step, I'll use my blush from Revolution Duo palette. As you can see, here I'm using this palette first time. So it's very highly pigmented and very nice. I'll apply it on my nose, cheeks and my chin. I'll dust off the extra product like that. And then I'll apply on my cheekbones. Now moving on to my eyes. Here I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Here I'm using this eyeshadow and simply applying it all over my lid. Here I am doing very easy, super easy look this time so that everybody can do it very easily. I am using only two shades, one this shade and the other one is shimmery shade, that's it. After that, I am using this shimmery shade. I will apply this with the help of my finger and as you can see, this is very pigmented and it's very beautiful shimmery shade. Now again I am putting another layer of matte shade on the outer corner of my eyes to make it intense, to make it darker. And I will blend it very nicely. The next step, I will lock my concealer with my setting powder, and I'll use here Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. Now I'm highlighting my face. Here I'm using again my Revolution Dewy palette. So I will highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead area and my chin also. Moving on to my eyebrows. Here I am using Maybelline New York Ultra Slim Pencil. So I am filling my eyebrows. I will fill the gaps of my eyebrows and then combing them very nicely. Here I am highlighting my brows with the same palette. Now I am taking the same shade from the eyeshadow palette and applying it here as well. Once all this is done, I am fixing my makeup with the help of setting spray. Here I am using my most favorite lipstick from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in shade 140. Finally, moving on to my lashes. Here I am using L'Oreal Paris False Lashes Mascara. I will apply 2 coats of it on my lashes and the lower lashes also. This is my final look, guys. I hope that you will be able to create this look very easily for parties or any other function. I really hope that you like this video. If you did, then do not forget to like the video and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.